Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Experience Couture. So today we are going to be making this satin skirt, but we are not using a plain material, we are using a flowered material. So if this is what you want to watch, please kindly stay and enjoy. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the post notification so that you see my post anytime I post. Now let's get into it. So this is the material that we are using. The material is a satin flowered material, so it only stretches on that bias side. When you cross the fabric like a cone, that's when it stretches. So just get it. So we are using 59 inches rather to cut this skirt. Just cut 59 inches straight. Then you just take this part that does not have edge and fold it like a cone shape to the other side, like you want to cut a 180-degree flayed. So you just do it like that, you just turn it like that. So I am going to show you properly so you will know what I'm talking about. Let me bring it down. So like this, you can see just cone, in a cone shape, 59 inches, don't forget. So now we are going to carry that place that does not have joining, that side that I'm holding, we're going to flip it over to the other side so that there will be four, one for front and one for back. So I'm going to carry it now and take it to the table so that you'll be able to see it clearly. So now we are here. This is what we have now. They are into four now, if you get me. So we'll have opportunity to have one in front and one at the back. Just remove 1 inch from your hip measurement and you just mark it there into 4. After you remove 1 inch from your measurement, you do it into 4 and you mark it there. You mark it straight like that, just as you're seeing it. So now you just take 7 inches down, you mark your hip line. That will be your hip line. So now from the waist, measure your length of skirt. Any length you want to use, this measurement will be fine for you. So you mark it. You mark other side too, so that you get like a curve. So from there now your nail, just measure 20, mark it. This 20 is constant. You can only make it 18 or 19, but don't pass that particular measurement if it is short. So now you measure your hip measurement, you just add 1 inch to it for allowance. So you just mark it straight. This nail point, just add 2 inches to your hip, 2 inches to your hip and mark it, then connect it together like so. Connect it, then you come aside. Please don't come aside too much because we don't want to have like a too much A-line shape, you understand? So just come outside normal. So you confirm all your measurements to make sure that they are okay. You confirm your hip, confirm everything. Your waist is just your same hip measurement, just remove 1 inch, that's all. So you cut. Because of your bias folding of the skirt, the hip will enter. There's no need of zip because you're not putting zip in this skirt. But make sure you're using a thick fabric just like this, or a plain one. So after cutting this, what we have, so you place it on the table now, front facing front, just like so. Just do it like this. The idea is to go and sew it straight, just like that. Just watch as I'm doing it. But you pin it first so that it will not shake, it will not move. So you go and sew it just like so. So when you after sewing, if there is any excess, you cut it off. Cut off the excess because we want the sewing to be very small. We want it to be very small. So now you turn it out now. This is the back now that you're seeing. So the front now is inside as you're seeing it. So now the next thing to do now is to sew this side. You sew them together. When you sew them together, this is what you have. Then you now bring it out. Now your sewing will be inside. You don't need to weave. It will be neat and fine. Then you press it out. You open it like this and use your iron to press it thoroughly. Like make sure that you press it. Now it's time to place the elastic. So just cut your waist measurement, but remove 3 inches from your waist measurement. Remove 3 inches. After you get your complete waist measurement, you just count 1, 2, 3 backward. You just cut it off, just remove it and cut it. This is for you to make sure that the elastic is firm in your waist. So after cutting it, you lay them together like one on top one, then you go and top stitch. You can use zigzag stitch if you have, so you just stitch it. Then you now mark the elastic now, so you get to know the side, the middle, everything. You mark it. Once you mark it, you do the same thing to the skirt too. So now after you place the elastic on top, so from front you sew to the back, from front you sew to the back, making sure that all those lines they align. Make sure that they align. Then after sewing, you weave it. Then this is what you have. So now the side, make sure you secure the side. Just bend it like this and stitch it down. You stitch it down for the two side only. Stitch it down. If you iron the waist, you will get something like this. Very beautiful, and the elastic will not flip, it will not move. Then the down now, you sew it, because I don't want to weave any part. So I first of all sew it small, then I'm trimming the excess now. Then before I go and sew it again, I'll bend it again the second time and sew it. I don't want to weave it, that's why I'm doing this. But if you weave, you can also weave and also bend it. It's fine. Anyhow you want it is fine. But this is how I sew my own. If you follow this pattern, you'll be able to sew this skirt and sell it like very luxury, like very, very nice. It will just come out like already made that you should know. You can use elastic that is a little bit bigger than this. You know, there are sizes of elastic. So you achieve your perfect result, and voila, this is what we have. Very beautiful and fine. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share. I am going to see you next time. Bye.